How to see who blocked you on TikTok without checking. So let me tell you guys, there is no official feature or button on TikTok that lets you automatically see a list of who blocked you without manually investigating. TikTok protects user privacy by keeping block actions strictly confidential. Because you cannot pull up a master list, the only way to know is by looking for silent changes in your account's data. Open your TikTok app, then tap on your profile at the bottom right, then go to your following list. If a user you closely followed suddenly disappears from your list and you did not unfollow them, they either deactivated their account or blocked you. Now the next what you can do is look through your direct messages. Go back, then tap on inbox at the bottom right of your screen. Now if your past conversation history with a specific user completely disappears, or if you can no longer type or send new messages to them, a block is highly likely. Now if you tag the user or reply to an old thread, your comment may simply fail to post or remain invisible to other users on the platform. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.